Welcome to our review of the wireless keyboard and mouse combo, an ergonomic full-size wireless keyboard paired with a comfortable optical mouse that promises both style and long-lasting performance. This combo has been designed with modern users in mind, whether you're working from home, your office, or simply enjoying multimedia on your laptop or PC. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out. First off, the wireless ergonomic keyboard is one of its most impressive features. Equipped with adjustable height tilt legs, it allows you to set the perfect angle for comfortable typing, minimizing wrist strain during long sessions. The full-size layout comes complete with a numeric keypad, catering especially to those who handle numbers frequently. Additionally, its 12 multimedia shortcut keys for play, pause, volume adjustments, and even email access take your productivity to the next level by reducing the number of clicks and streamlining your workflow. The product also boasts a stable and reliable wireless connection. Sharing a single USB receiver conveniently stored with the mouse, both devices can operate independently or together. The plug-and-play design means no additional software installation is required, and the 2.4 GHz technology ensures you get lag-free performance up to 33 feet away. This makes it a great choice for both stationary setups and on-the-go use in various environments. Moving on to the Optical Mouse, its compact, lightweight design provides excellent comfort, especially during extended use. The contoured shape fits naturally in your hand, while the silent micro-motion technology ensures that clicking happens almost quietly, so you can work in shared spaces without worrying about noise. With a 1600 dpi sensor, this mouse offers smooth and precise tracking suitable for both everyday tasks and casual gaming. One of the major selling points is the incredible battery life. With up to 365 days of battery performance and an auto sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity, you can say goodbye to frequent recharges. This further enhances the convenience of a wireless setup. However, one possible drawback is the need for separate batteries, one AAA for the keyboard and one AA for the mouse, which might be a minor inconvenience for some. Compared to other similar products on the market, this combo stands out with its blend of ergonomic design, versatile connectivity, and quiet operation. To get the most out of it, ensure you adjust the keyboard's tilt to fit your seating posture and regularly check the battery status to avoid unexpected downtime. In summary, the wireless keyboard and mouse combo is a highly reliable and efficient accessory for anyone looking to upgrade their workstation. It is especially beneficial for professionals, students, and everyday users who value comfort, accuracy, and quiet operation. Thank you for watching, and happy typing.